Jaguar ist Presenting Partner vom Festival da Jazz in St. Moritz und unterstützt das neue Nachwuchsformat mit dem vollelektrischen Jaguar I-Pace. Unsere Vision für die Zukunft.
Es liegt auf der Hand, dass man mit einem gewissen Alter auch von einem Festival irgendwann mal muss, sich einsetzen für die Zukunft, also für die Stars von morgen. Und dafür wollen wir eine Plattform präsentieren, eben das New Generation Jazz Lab, wo berühmte, bekannte, gute Mentoren und Mentorinnen zusammenbringt mit den jungen Musikern von morgen, die sich da treffen, die da miteinander arbeiten und die da eine gute Zeit verbringen, vor allem.
So, we are the Caroline Veit Quartet. We are Loren Siemer, Mikolaj Suchanek, Caroline Veit, and Valentin Steindl. We come from Dresden, Germany, and we're super happy to be here. And we already had some magic moments with Omar today, and we're super happy. Yeah.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Omar Sosa. I'm a piano player and a composer from Cuba, and I have the pleasure and the honor and a gift to be working with, I need to say, one of for me, the most beautiful band and a musician I met the last few years, Karin and her band from Germany. They're amazing.
Yeah, one big question is how to get the music to the people. That's in the moment a big part. So there's so many people making great music, but nobody hears them. How is it possible that we are heard, or you're famous, but your music is heard?
Not really. No, I'm survived.
No, I mean that the music comes to the right people who are eager to hear it, and I think also this festival is a great opportunity for us, maybe to be heard and to give our music to the people. Yeah.
Keep doing what you do.
Purple tiles, strange facades, they invite me to stay.
Hi, I'm Marco Point, and this is my band. We have Baptiste Vattiez on the bass, Samra from the drum, and we are very happy to be part of the New Generation Jazz Festival, and we are very honored to play with Mr. Lee Rittenau.
Hi, this is Lee Rittenauer, and we are in beautiful St. Moritz, and we're getting ready for our show tonight with Mark Oliver and Sam and Baptiste, and we're going to have a great time, and come and listen and watch.
What we need to do now? What is the next step for us? What do you think?
What is the next step?
Yeah.
Well, you know, the music business, the only thing you can count on in music, actual music, is change. And the only thing you can also count on in the music business is change. Today, social media is the most important stuff. So a lot of times a young band can be, you know, so strong on social media, regardless of the kind of music, but they can be so prevalent on social media that they're getting more attention. You know, like J.D. Beck was an example that gets a lot of attention on social media. So, but you still have to get out there in the world, and a young guitarist like Julian Lage is doing great and making all the right moves. So there, again, the business has changed, and you guys have to almost discover the business for yourselves now and see where it takes you.
Da sind wir wieder live beim NewGeneration Night Jazz Lab vom Festival der Jazz St. Moritz, präsentiert von Jaguar. Bevor wir zum Abschluss vom heutigen Abend unsere dritte Gewinnerin hören und sehen, gibt es, wie es sich gehört, bei einem Förderpreis eine Preisübergabe, so richtig wie im Fernsehen. Darf ich kurz bitte all unsere Gewinnerinnen und Gewinner auf die Bühne bitten? Auch der Damien Donnellan, Managing Director von Jaguar Schweiz, und der Festivalgründer, der Christian Jotenni. Wir haben uns überlegt, wenn wir schon eine Fernsehsendung machen, dann gibt es auch Schecks, wie das früher in den 80er Jahren üblich war im Fernsehen, wo der Damien Donnellan jetzt den 3 Gewinnerband verteilt. Der ist verbunden mit einem Sachwert von 5'000 Franken, also einem Geldwert von 5'000 Franken für Marco Point Trio, Caroline White Quartett und Miss Sealine.
I need to keep you two gentlemen here with me for a short moment. I think there's a few people who might be sitting here pondering what that typical image of the E-class from back in the day, or with the E-type, has anything to do with saxophones and drum sets and so on. So what does Jaguar connect, or what connects Jaguar rather, with jazz and St. Moritz?
Before I answer that, I just want to say what a fantastic evening. I mean, after so many months, I wasn't going to mention Corona, but I have to. After so many months of Corona, we all needed this, and it's been fantastic. And really, Christian, you've done a wonderful, wonderful job. Thank you very much. I sort of knew you were going to ask me this question, so I've been giving it some thought, and there are many answers, and there's very many long answers. Of course, St. Moritz and a British mark like Jaguar, they go hand in hand. But when we think about jazz is something that has a very, very rich heritage. And when we think about Jaguar, Jaguar also, you've mentioned E-Type, and there's a few others as well, have a wonderful, wonderful heritage. But jazz also has a now, and Jaguar also has a now. And when you look at where we are now as Jaguar, it's a privilege to work for this brand and to be involved. And I think it's also a privilege for everybody who's involved in jazz these days to be involved with jazz when you look at the talent that's out there. But I think what's also really important is that Jaguar is invested in the future. We're invested in the future. We've got challenges that we all know we need to meet, whether it's environmental or Corona or chips or all the things that we know. But we're invested in the future. And I think what's so wonderful about tonight and the work that Christian's done is you're invested in the future. And actually all of you who are here tonight and those of you who are watching on the live stream, you're all invested in the future as well. And honestly, it's been a wonderful and a humbling experience to see this talent on stage, to be part of this family and this experience, and I'm really excited. And I go home full of energy and look forward to knowing that the future's in really great and talented hands. So thank you very much to all of you who took part tonight, and for all of you for being here with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you and thank Jaguar.
Und jetzt kommen wir zu unserer letzten Gewinnerin. Wir haben sie vorher schon mal kurz gesehen. Ihren Namen haben wir auch schon verraten. Carolina Müller, a.k.a. Miss Sealine, hat in Basel Jazz-Gesang studiert und produziert und schreibt ihre eigenen Songs. Sie vermischt Jazz mit modernem Einfluss, Hip-Hop, R&B. Ihr Debütalbum ist schon draussen. Und wir freuen uns ungemein, dass sie bei uns ist und mit ihrer grossartigen Liveband noch ein anderen Farbtupfer in unser Lab gebracht hat.
Hello, I'm Miss Sealine. We are here in St. Moritz. We're from Basel, Switzerland, Bern and Zurich. We're really happy to play here. We bring some groove, some hip-hop, some rap and soul and R&B, and that's our music, and I hope you guys have fun.
Hello, I'm Iiro Rantala from Helsinki, Finland, a pianist, and again I'm here at the Festival de Jazz.
Not really sure, I guess, how my music will develop in the future. So I'm really, I don't know, I'm looking forward and I'm really excited how my music is gonna find its own way, because I feel like I'm not there yet, of course, because we're young and we grow all the time. But yeah, I think now it's the right moment for me to get the input as well. I feel it's a good time for my music to change or to go somewhere.
I don't think it's luck based. It happens in two parts. What you do alone, what you have been doing, and then the second part is with the audience. With the audience, you realize that, oh, this works, they like that, I do more of that. It's very, very natural. That's why I always encourage young people to play as many gigs as they can. You know, even before somebody pays for it, you know, at the summer cottage or, you know, everywhere you can just, you know, have the reflection with the live audience.
If you're feeling low, hold on to this song. Don't you worry, baby. Head up, lift your chest, come on. I love to see you smile. So much soul in his great, great eyes. You ain't gotta worry, baby. I take you somewhere very nice. What a great life, baby. I ain't gotta tell you. Only you might see the green light. If you walk on golden streets, then you know it's alright.
Als Presenting-Partner vom Festival der Jazz in St. Moritz unterstützt Jaguars neue Nachwuchsformat mit dem vollelektrischen Jaguar I-Pace. Unsere Vision für die Zukunft.